Hello everyone, welcome back to English Room. I hope you are doing great. Today I want to share something very important for every English learner. Many students ask me, Jang, how can I improve my English speaking? So today I will give you simple, easy, and powerful tips that really work. Let's start with tip 1, listen more. Listening is the first step to speaking. When you listen to English every day like videos, podcasts, or short clips, your brain starts to learn natural words and grammar. So listen for at least 10 minutes every day. Tip 2, repeat what you hear. When you watch something in English, don't just listen, try to repeat the sentences. Say the words out loud. This trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. You can pause the video and speak after the person. Tip 3, think in English. This is very powerful. Instead of thinking in your own language, try to think simple English sentences in your mind. For example, I am eating, I am walking, I am tired. Thinking in English helps you speak faster. Tip 4, learn simple sentences, not big grammar rules. Many learners think they must learn difficult grammar first, but that's not true. Start with easy sentences like I like, I want, I need, I go to, I have to, and use them every day. Tip 5, practice speaking alone. Yes, you can practice alone. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Describe your day, talk about your plans, introduce yourself. It may feel strange, but it helps a lot. Tip 6, use English in real life. Even if you make mistakes, use English. Talk to friends, teachers, or even strangers online. The more you use English, the better you become. Don't be shy. Tip 7, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal, everyone makes them. I also made mistakes when learning languages. Mistakes mean you are learning, so don't feel scared, keep going. Tip 8, learn phrases, not just words. For example, instead of learning the word hungry, learn the phrase I am hungry. Instead of busy, learn I am busy right now. Phrases help you speak naturally and quickly. Tip 9, speak slowly and clearly. You don't need to speak fast. Slow and clear English is much better. It helps people understand you and it helps you feel more confident. Tip 10, practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Consistency is the key. You cannot speak English well in one day, but if you practice every day, even for 5 minutes, you will improve faster than you think. Now it's your turn, repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving step by step. I believe in myself. Practice these lines every day to build confidence. Thank you for watching today's lesson. I hope these tips help you grow, speak better, and feel more confident. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your best English tip in the comments. I would love to read it. See you in the next lesson on English Room. Bye for now.